In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on eBay using Alibaba step by step. Let's dive right in, starting with setting up your eBay seller account. Head over to eBay's homepage and click Register. Choose Create Business Account and start filling out the details about your business. This includes your business name and logo, deciding on your payout method, whether that's a bank account or Payoneer, and setting up important policies like your return policy and handling times. For added security, make sure to enable two-step verification. It's a smart move to begin with just a few products at first. This helps you gather positive feedback and establish trust with buyers. Moving on, you'll need to find profitable products on Alibaba. Go to Alibaba's website and use their filters to discover products that are hot and trending. Look for top-ranking products for some inspiration. You'll want to find suppliers offering a low minimum order quantity, also known as MOQ, ideally between 5 to 20 pieces. Focus on verified suppliers who provide trade assurance to mitigate risk. Make sure that the products can be shipped to your country. Some product ideas you might consider include wireless chargers, mini projectors, pet accessories, and kitchen gadgets. Tools like Zik Analytics or TerraPick can give you valuable insights on what's already selling well on eBay. With potential products in mind, you'll need to compare prices and calculate your profit margins. For example, if you find an item on Alibaba priced at $3.50, you might sell it on eBay for $14.99. Remember to account for eBay's fees, which are typically around 13%, and then calculate your profit per item. Don't forget to include costs like packaging, shipping, and any applicable customs fees. It's a good idea to order small quantities initially just to test the demand. Once you've pinpointed a good supplier on Alibaba, contact them to learn more. Ask pertinent questions like whether they ship to your country and about the total cost, including shipping. Check if they support trade assurance for secure payment transactions and ask for product samples to verify quality. Start with a small order to minimize risk. When your inventory arrives, capture clear photographs and write an optimized listing on eBay. Use SEO-friendly keywords in your title and focus on the benefits and specifications in your description. Be specific about the item's brand, color, size, and material. Also, price your listings mindfully to include your profit margin. Once live, you could also consider using fulfillment centers or third-party logistics for storage and shipping. For order fulfillment, ensure you package items securely and ship them promptly using trusted couriers. Always mark orders as shipped and provide tracking information to buyers. This can be crucial, especially if your target demographics are in the US or the UK, as utilizing Alibaba's partner warehouses or third-party logistics services might speed up deliveries. Finally, focus on managing customer service effectively. Respond to messages within 24 hours and handle refunds or replacements quickly when necessary. This proactiveness can help you maintain high-rated feedback. As you gain momentum with sales, consider scaling your business by reordering your top-selling products in larger volumes and negotiating better deals with suppliers. Expand your product catalog by adding related items and automate tasks using tools like AutoDS, Zik Analytics, or 3PL warehouses. With these strategies in place, you're well on your way to running a successful eBay business using Alibaba.